Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Canon LBP 6030 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed with the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the Windows search bar at the top and paste a link that I'll be including at the description box below. So please copy it there and paste it here at the Windows address bar. Once you're done, click on enter so that you would be able to be redirected to the result of this link. So you would be redirected to this Canon website where you can see the driver, which is LBP 6030, and all you need to do is you need to scroll down, okay? And from here, you would be able to see a result, okay? So this is the result, which is this one, okay? All you need to do is you need to click on it. And the moment you click on it, you will be able to be redirected here, which you can see LBP 6030W, LBP 6030B, which what we're looking for, and LBP 6030. So all you need to do is you need to click on download. And the moment you do it, you just have to click on the yes to agree the terms and conditions. And you can now proceed to the downloading of this application, which is the LBP 6030. So proceed with the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download icon and check the download progress. Okay, so just have to wait for a minute to finish. Once you have downloaded this exe file, all you need to do is you need to click this folder icon to proceed and to be navigated to this location where your application is being placed to. The next thing that you need to do is you need to click on this cut icon to copy it and close the window as well as this browser, and do a right click here at the desktop and click on this paste icon. Now, once you have pasted this LBP 6030B, the next thing that you need to do is you need to do a right click and you need to go with this extracting of this specific file. Okay, so go with the extract files, extract to this one, and wait until it will be extracted. And from here, you would be able to extract this LBP 6030B. The next thing that you need to do is you need to navigate to the button search bar. And from here, please type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a window would appear here in our screen, which is the best match, and click on Open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. So here at the settings, directly proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the options. Please look for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And from here, please scroll down on the list and go by devices. So under the devices, you would be able to see a lot of settings. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate, okay, and locate for this one, which is more devices and printer settings. Click on it. And from here, you would be able to be navigated to the devices and printers window where here you need to navigate to the left side of that where you can see add a printer. So click on it. And this window would show up. All you need to do is you need to click on this one, which is the printer that I want isn't listed. So click on it. And the moment you click on it, you'd be able to see find a printer by other options. Please choose add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Once you're done, click on next once again. And the moment you do it, you would be able to choose an existing port. All you need to do is you need to click on this down arrow and proceed with this one, USB 001, 002, and 003. So either choose among of these three. In my case, I'll be choosing USB 001. Once you're done, please click on next. Okay, and this will show up, this window, and you can see there are two options. Please proceed on Have Disk. And from here, please click on Browse to browse for our installed printer driver, which is the 603B. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to navigate with the desktop. Please scroll down. Okay, please proceed with this one. Click on it, double tap to it, and from here, please proceed with this one. Okay, so if you don't see no items match in the search, just go with this one. Okay, so we just have to navigate with this 6031 again. Double tap to it. We just have to look for our driver. Okay, so we just have to locate for it. Okay, so this one we just have to locate for our driver. So here you can choose, please choose X64, then choose with driver and this one. Okay. So once you have find your driver, click on open and it will be showing here. Click on OK. And once you have shown it, please click on next. Click on next once again. You can also rename the printer if you'd like to. So it will now be the installing of printer. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes. Proceed with yes so that you can now start on the installation of this printer driver. Okay, you just have to wait until this will be done. It will only take maybe yes, less than a minute to do so. So the next thing that you need to do is here you can rename that. Okay, so you can rename that. So let's rename that into LBP 6030B. Click on next. Click on finished. And there you have it. You have just successfully installed the LBP 603B here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Once you're done, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.